Think you know everything about meditation? Think again. Last week, I interviewed a meditation teacher who completely changed the way I see it. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 mind-blowing secrets she shared. Secrets that can help reduce stress, boost focus, and transform your practice. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced meditator, these secrets will take your practice to the next level. Let's dive in. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Luca and I'm studying to qualify as a professional life coach. On this channel, I talk about self-development and how we can create a life that is more authentic, meaningful, and fulfilling. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Let's dive in. First, meditation aligns you with your vision. Meditation helps you get clear on where you want to go in life and aligns you with that vision. It's like setting a GPS for your dreams. When you meditate, everything starts to flow more effortlessly, and life unfolds in a way that feels natural and cohesive. Without meditation, you might feel like you're drifting, constantly changing direction without a clear path. It's like being on a boat without a compass, crashing into other people's dreams, getting pulled in different directions, and never really moving towards what you truly want. If you're not clear on your vision, you keep losing the connection to what is your dream, your purpose, and your goal. When you meditate instead, you gain clarity. You stop getting swayed by other people's expectations, and instead you start moving with purpose. Focused people go straight after their dreams, while people without focus get caught up in distractions. And here's where meditation kicks in, helping you gaining clarity on your vision and staying on course. The second secret about meditation is that it deepens the connection with your body. One of the unexpected benefits of meditation is how much more in tune you become with your body. You start noticing the impact of what you eat, how you sit, and even how you hold yourself. For example, after eating certain foods, you may notice subtle changes in your body. Maybe you notice your face looks different in the morning, or your throat feels swollen, or your gut reacts in a way you never paid attention to before. Meditation heightens this awareness, helping you understand which foods are right for you, what your body needs, and how you can take better choices when it comes to your health. Even your posture can reveal a lot about your brain-body connection. You might realize you've been hunching your shoulders and making yourself smaller, maybe out of habit or even hidden feelings of shame. Through meditation, you become more aware of how you carry yourself, and you can start questioning whether or not that posture serves you anymore. If inside you're feeling confident and proud of yourself, you can start shifting your posture to reflect how you truly feel. So keep your shoulders back, be more open, and this will have a tremendously positive impact on your brain-body connection. The third secret about meditation is that it makes you more fearless and resilient. Meditation strengthens your ability to manage stress. You will be surprised that you are able to handle so much more stress than you could ever had before. At the same time, meditation makes you daring and bolder in going after what you want. You'll find yourself more willing to ask for opportunities, reach out to people, and step outside your comfort zone without the fear of being a nuisance, a burden, or an imposter. Maybe you've always been hesitant and uncomfortable to speak up, voice your opinion, or approach someone in a position of power. Well, meditation helps you see people for who they truly are, humans just like you. You stop feeling afraid of others or inferior to others, because you stop putting people on a pedestal. You actually start becoming more fearless and understanding that you are worthy of your dreams and you shouldn't be afraid to go after them. Beyond that, meditation creates space between you and your thoughts. You start realizing that your fears and doubts are just thoughts, they are not reality. It's like a cloud of negativity. You can look at it at a distance, but as it comes, it also fades away. It's normal to have moments of down, because we're still human beings after all, but don't believe any disempowering thought that pops up into your mind. When negative self-talk creeps in, just recognize it for what it is, let it pass, and move forward with confidence. The fourth secret about meditation is that it gives you more time. When you invest your time meditating, you actually get even more time back. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but spending even just 10 minutes a day meditating can give you an extra hour throughout your day. When you meditate, you become more present, more decisive, and less likely to procrastinate. So your day will end and you will realize that you got everything done and you still have more time. And this happens because you stop wasting time overthinking. You stop second-guessing your decisions because you know you made the right choices for yourself. And then you simply move on. Imagine the time you save when you don't have to circle back and stress over every little thing you did or didn't do. The more you meditate, the more efficient and productive you become. For instance, let's say you're faced with an important question. Instead of taking you 10 minutes to come up with an answer, you can come up with it in a matter of seconds. And this happens because you have more clarity on your goals and what's a right choice for yourself. It's why so many high achievers swear by it. Clarity and calm allow you to move through your day with decisiveness and focus, instead of getting lost in distractions. The fifth secret is that meditation helps you discover what's inside your soul. When you begin meditating, your mind might feel more crowded and louder than ever before. And that's okay. It's actually a sign that you're tuning in, because the things you might need to address start showing up. A lot of people avoid meditation because it brings up thoughts and emotions they've been suppressing. But instead of running from them, meditation invites you to acknowledge and release them. Unresolved emotions, past wounds, or hidden fears may rise to the surface. And this is an opportunity for healing, not something to fear. That's why meditation feels uncomfortable, at least at the beginning. At first, your mind will resist. Your thoughts will try to keep you busy and your body will feel restless, because your mind and body don't want to lose the control that they hold over you. But if you sit with it, breathe through it, and stay patient, your soul will start emerging. It takes time, but that's where true clarity, joy, and fulfillment come from. Meditation isn't just about relaxation. It's about transformation. It helps you get clear on your vision, connect with your body, build resilience, maximize your time, and face what's inside of you. So, if you've been thinking about starting to meditate, or you've been struggling with consistency, just sit, breathe, and give it a try, and the benefits will follow. Hi guys, if you enjoyed this video, you're going to love the whole interview where I extracted this content from. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.